Dear student, in the chapter first, halo alkane and haloarenes, today we will discuss the nomenclature of halo alkane and haloarenes. Dear student, here are some examples are given. In the first example, the name of this compound is here bromine attached with this carbon. So numbering start from here 1, 2, 3. Here number of carbon 3 carbons. So write the name at the first position bromo, first bromo. Number of carbon 3. So propane. Name of this compound first bromopropane. And the common name is here 3 carbon chain. So write normal. Here number of carbon 3, so propyl. For bromine, bromide. So name the compound normal, propyl, bromide. Okay student, here a substituent are present. Their student numbering of carbon start from here 1, 2 and from here 1, 2. Similar, so start 1, 2, 3. Here the name of this compound is at the second position chloro, second chloro, and number of carbon 3, so write propane. Second chloropropane is the name of this compound. Okay student, and this carbon seen as iso because from the last carbon and this second carbon, last second carbon is joined with one methyl group. So name of this compound isopropyl chloride is the common name of this compound. Again here 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbons. Numbering start from where the substituent get lowest position from here 1, 2, 1 and 2 from here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yes, student. The lowest numbering gate is from here 1, 2, 3. From counting from here methyl and chloro. So right here first chloro and second methyl. Number of carbon 3. So right here propane. Propane. Okay, student. And the name of common name of this compound here again. From last carbon, first, second carbon joined with methyl group, contain methyl group, one methyl, so it also named as iso. And number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, so butyl. And here chloride. Name of this compound isobutyl chloride. Dear student, in this compound, a bromide are present. Are directly joined with benzene. So here bromo benzene. The name of this compound bromobenzene. But here two bromide are present. So counting start from any one bromide 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 3 di bromo benzene. Okay student, 1, 2, 1, 3 dibromo benzene. And in common nomenclature we say it is main position. It's main position, and at the main position the neighbor carbon is ortho, then meta, then para. At the meta here one bromide are attached. So right here meta di bromo benzene. Okay student, this student in this compound when we counting start from here 1, 2, 3. When we counting start from here 1, 2, 3, the bromides get same numbers. So in this compound both bromide are present at symmetrical position. So right here for the common name symmetrical bromobenzene. Tribromobenzene is the common name of this compound, but the IUPAC name is the numbers name. I'll start numbering 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same number. So counting us right. So name of this compound is at the first, at the third, and at the fifth. Tribromobenzene is the name of this compound. Okay, student. Yes, student. Now discuss the other example. Here 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon means number of carbons are similar. Then we counting start from where a chain PCC contain maximum number of substituent. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Name of this compound 2,2-dimethyl and first chloro. So write first chloro 2,2-dimethyl. Number of carbon 3, propane. Is the name of this compound. Okay, student. Now here first, second, third. At the second position bromo are present. So write here second bromo. Number of carbon 3. So write here propane. Okay, student. Now discuss here. Dear student, in this compound, two highlights present at the same carbon. Dear student, always remember when in a compound two highlights present at the similar carbon, then you say same dihalide. Same dihalide means two highlights are similar carbon. Okay, same dihalide is also same as geminal dihalide. Okay, student. But name of this compound 1, 2. IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloride. Number of carbon 2. So write here ethane is the name of this compound. Dear student, in this compound two highlights are present at adjacent means neighbors adjacent carbon. The compound in which two highlights present at adjacent carbon is known as weak dihalide, that is also called vicinal dihalide. Okay, student. So name of this compound at the IUPAC name of compound first, second. You know that at first position and second position 2 means dichloro are present. So here the name of compound 1,2-dichloroethane. Here some mistake 1,1-dichloroethane. So the name of general dihalide is 1,1-dichloroethane, and here name of vicinal dihalide is 1,2-dichloroethane. Dear student, a question is given in your NCERT book, example 10.1. Question is, draw the structure of 8 structural isomers that have molecular formula C5H11Br. Name each of isomers in IUPAC system. Classified them primary, secondary, and tertiary bromide. Dear student, firstly we written number of carbon 5 and hydrogen 11. So write here CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, CH2Br. In this compound, number of carbon 5 and number of hydrogen 11 and 1 propane. Dear student, name of this compound, you observe here the bromine attached with the carbons is first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth. Number of carbon 5. So write here first bromo pentane. Dear student, in this compound, bromine attached with the carbons CH2 is joined with the single carbon. So it is 1 degree Ne. It means primary carbon. Okay, student. Dear student, in this compound, here the second example, we put the Br at the second position, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, at the second position bromines are present, so write here second bromo pentane, but the bromine attached with second carbon, the second carbon joined with the two carbons, so write here 2 degree carbon, means secondary carbon. Dear student, again 1 2 3 1 2 3 same position, 2 3 4 5. Here third bromo pentane, but the bromine attached with third carbon attached with the two carbons, so it is also 2 degree carbon, means secondary carbon. Again here, dear student, here numbering start from 1 2 and third and fourth carbon. Dear student, when we apply this as like CH3, here CH3, okay. Dear student, numbering of carbon 1 2 3, here a methyl group at second position and bromo at first position, so right here first bromo, second methyl propane. And the degree of the carbon, dear student, the bromine attached with the first carbon joined with the single carbon, so it is 1 degree and a primary carbon. Okay. Next, here fifth, written in NCERT, it also written as CH3. In this compound, 1 2 3 and fourth. Number of carbon at the second position bromo, third methyl butane, sorry, here student, we have some mistake, CH2, CH 1 2 3 4 5. Right here propane, not propane, butane. Here bromine attached with the second carbon joined with two carbons, so right here 2 degree, that is secondary. Okay student. Yes student, I think all about the nomenclatures of the IPS nomenclature of this compound I am explained in the previous video lecture. If you not understand, then please watch the previous video which are explained by me. Okay. Here 2 CH3 group, so right here CH3 and CH3. They student from by counting 1 2 3 4. At the second position bromo and second position methyl. Second bromo, second methyl butane is the name of this compound. But bromine attached with the second carbon joined with 1 2 and 3 carbons. So here 3 degree, that is tertiary carbon. 3 degree, that is tertiary carbon. Again here 1 2 3 4. At the first position, first bromo, second methyl, and number of carbon 4, butane. What is the degree of this compound? In this compound, bromine attached with the first carbon joined with one carbon, so it is 1 degree. Okay student. Dear student, now here a compound given. Here 3 CH3 group are attached. CH3 and CH3. Numbering 1 2 3. At the first position bromo, first bromo 2 dimethyl. Number of carbon 1 2 3. Propane is the name of this compound. But bromine attached with the first carbon and first carbon joined with single carbon. So here 1 degree carbon. Dear student, I think understand about the example of 10.1. Dear student, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook and read your NCERT book, which is explained by me today. Thank you very much. Take a screenshot.